price includes competitive bonus/owner loyalty, military bonus and dealer choice. Thank you for shopping at Chris Leith Automotive. We appreciate you coming by. Be sure you check out our online reviews. It's like Chris says, don't just tell people how good you are. Show them. We finance, we ship, and we would love to look at your trade-in. Call or come by and experience at Chris Leith difference. We'll see you soon.